So in order to delete your Facebook avatar, it's actually very simple. The first thing we need to do is load up the Facebook application, and you want to make sure you're signed into your correct account. Once you've done this, you want to click on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner, and this will take you to the Facebook main menu. From here, you want to click on avatars just in the top, but if you don't see it, you want to click on see more just at the bottom. You'll be taken to a screen that's going to show your avatar like this. Now in order to delete it, you want to click on the pencil icon to edit your avatar. And on the edit screen, you notice that pencil has now turned into a trash can or a bin, and you want to click on that icon. From here, it's going to prompt you asking you if you really want to delete your avatar. When you click on the delete button, this will obviously delete your avatar permanently, and you'll no longer get personalised avatar stickers. And if you want another avatar, you'll have to create a new one, and bear in mind that you can only have one avatar at a time as of recording this video. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.